Hello, I'm Cutie Creepy, and on this channel I'll be sharing my journey towards building my dream wardrobe. I like to try different styles, shop from different stores, and today we'll be looking at Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix is an online subscription styling service that serves women and men. And how it works is that you fill out a styling profile and your personal stylist will look through their inventory and pick the items that they think will best fit your needs. When you receive your clothes, you have 3 days to try them on and return them. The styling fee is $20, and that $20 goes toward any item that you purchase. If you don't purchase anything, you will lose that $20. The shipping is free both ways. The items that you want to return, you put in their mailer that they send to you, and the ones that you want to keep, you just simply pay for them in your online account. This is my third Stitch Fix, so I have not been with them very long. I've had the same stylist, Jolene, who I think is really good at listening to what I'm looking for and also picking items that fit me well. Now, here are my items. I have not tried any of them on. I wanted to show my initial reaction and give my honest opinions on these items. So I'll look at each item and give my initial thoughts, and then I will do a try-on portion. I will also wait to look at the prices because I don't want the prices to influence my opinion, but I will put the prices of the items on the screen when I try them on. So now that I've given a little information about Stitch Fix, let's get into the clothes. So our first item is a pair of jeans. Okay, a long pair of jeans with a medium wash. Okay, they look like skinny jeans. I do like this type of wash. Initial thoughts, they're a regular pair of jeans. I can't say that I need them. I don't really have a lot of jeans because they are kind of difficult to find, but I'll try these on, and they fit well. Good likelihood I might keep them. Our second item is another pair of jeans, and these look like they might be a bootleg. This is a lighter pair of jeans. I do like the wash on these a little more. I like when they have like this white kind of tone on the thigh. This is a different brand. I haven't tried this brand, Prosperity, so that'll be interesting to see how they fit. But just another pair of jeans, and try them on and see if I like them. Next is an item that has a very pretty floral pattern. It looks like a mini dress with spaghetti straps. Okay. I do like this color and pattern. I have a lot of floral items, so that's pretty nice for me. It looks a little short. I don't know how this is gonna look. I'm not always comfortable showing my thighs because they are pretty large in comparison to the rest of my body, but I'll try it on and see. Next we have another dress, and I like this pattern too. Pretty much if you give me a floral, 9 times out of 10 I'm gonna like it. I do like this green. Green is my favorite color. It looks like it has some type of wrapping design on the top part, and it might be just above the knee on me looking at the length, but this looks really nice. It looks promising, so I'm excited to try this one on. And last, we have a black tank top. I always forget what these are called. A sleeveless top. this isn't something that I would look for from Stitch Fix. Is very basic. I like Stitch Fix because they have options that I can't find in stores, just different brands, and this is pretty regular, so I don't think I would keep this one, but like everything else, I'll try it on and that might change my mind. So initial thoughts, I remember I asked for jeans that have distressing. I've been looking for jeans that have minimal distressing, like on the knees, in a straight style, a straight jean style. I didn't get that in this fix. I also asked for tops or dresses that have these square necklines. I love the ones that are very exaggerated, almost to the point where the sleeves look like they're not connected to the dress or the shirt. And I didn't get that either, so kind of disappointed in that. But sometimes they just don't have it in their inventory, and I understand that. But let's try it on anyway and see what we think afterward. All right, so I've tried on the clothes and now I want to look at the prices. Okay, so this dress with the dark blue and floral prints is the Fortune and Ivy. Before I look at the prices, I will say I did like the fit of this dress. I was surprised actually. I thought it would be shorter. I usually don't wear dresses like this, but it's pretty cute. I'm not sure I would keep it because I don't see myself wearing it a lot, but I did like the fit of this dress. So, Fortune Ivy, this dress is $48, so that's not bad at all. These are the bootcut jeans, and these I did not like. I didn't like the wash, I didn't like the fit. They were kind of tight, but I know these type of jeans, you wear them and they get looser, but this is just not for me. These are the Prosperity bootcut jeans in a size 16, and these are $78. I have bought other jeans that cost more from Stitch Fix. If they fit well, it's fine. It's already so hard for me to find pants that when I find one that fits well, I'll most likely buy it. But these were not it for me. But the next pair of jeans I really liked. I was surprised actually. They are pull-on jeans. So it has a button, but it's not functioning right there. These are very comfortable. They're very soft. They're easy to get on. Even though they fit, they weren't like super tight. And they fit well in the waist. I do have a hard time finding pants that don't have the gap in the back, so this was really nice. So these are Liverpool size 16 jeans, slim straight leg. And they are, woo, $98. This is more expensive than the jeans that I bought before from Stitch Fix, so that might change my decision on keeping these. That is maybe a little too high. We'll see. Okay, so the top, which I had on for most of the try-on portion, this top, I think this was the square neck that I asked for. I guess the best they could do. This top is okay, it's just not really my style. It also made the little area here, little fat pocket here, kind of stick out, and I didn't like that. It wasn't that noticeable, but of course I saw it. Yeah, this just wasn't my cup of tea. This is the Gold Ray square neck fitted knit top in XL, and this is $44. So yeah, this is not something I would look for. I could probably get something like this for $10 at Walmart, so won't be keeping this one. Now last is this beautiful green dress. This dress is actually the kind of dress that I would go for. I love the color, the fit, the top fit really nicely. I can wear this with any bra, not worry about the strap showing or having to wear a strapless bra, which they're not the most comfortable. So out of all of them, this is the item I'm most likely to keep. And let's see. This is the Kayla Amandine knit dress in XL. And this is $50. Okay, so that's not too bad. I can see keeping this dress if I had to pick anything, because it's definitely not a 5 for 5. I usually keep at least one thing, and I can definitely see keeping this one. So looking at the total cost, the box would be $318, which is around the cost of the boxes I've been getting in the past. You get a discount if you buy all the items, which I won't be, but the discount is 25%, so that would make it $238.50. It would take off $79.50. That's very expensive. I can get clothes in a similar style for much less. I'm a fan of sales. But and minus the styling fee, it would go down to $218.50. Still pretty high. I will say I think I would keep the green dress, which was $50. The jeans, $98. I wish I could justify it, but maybe I'll think about it a little longer, try it with some of my actual clothes and see if that's okay. I'm not really sure, but we'll see. So that was my third Stitch Fix. I would say the others were maybe a little better. They were more geared toward what I asked for, but this was fine. You know, the third one, the stylist is still trying to get to know me. So yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching. And if you want to see what else I add to my wardrobe, be sure to check back later. Goodbye, everyone.